What's up everybody, welcome to my new video. Here we have the image classifier or image detection. This is what we left off with. Just kind of setting things up right now. We have a button, no webcam yet. We have a little bit of some script, it's not really script, it's just a link to a package. And some text. So in order to move forward, we're going to add some CSS, and we're just going to go based off of this. We're just going to type it down. So we're going to add this color here, which is, let's try to guess what color that is. It looks like it's a black 3D. It's going to be a gray. Is it? Dark, very dark gray. Okay, so font style, italic, some color. We'll leave that as is. For the video, we're gonna have display block. Yo, what? Why'd they do that? What? Y'all seen that? He just disappeared on it. Sometimes when it lags like that, you kind of gotta guess where the cursor is. But I guessed incorrectly. It'll eventually catch up. You just kind of gotta guess, what words you've typed. You gotta keep it in your head. Transition, we're gonna do opacity. It's gonna be half a second. Ease in, ease out. Or just ease in, out. Next, add some useful CSS. Okay, so what is this one? We just added, ensure they render correctly. Alright, let's see. So, okay, it looks normal. Well, obviously, except for the camera, it came up, the camera button. Alright, for this next one, it's gonna be add some useful CSS classes to help with various different states of the user interface, such as when we want to hide the button or make the demo appear. Okay, so that's gonna be done here as well. So let's go with the removed class, display none. Put them visible. Opacity 2. And then we have cam view with the position of relative. Floats, left, width, calc. Calc is fairly new, but it's pretty good for especially for animations, and you want to have things aligned in a certain way. What else we got? Cam view again, but this time it's going to be for the paragraph. Position, absolute. I'm assuming that might be done on JavaScript. The box that's going to be around the object. We're going to have a padding. Let me actually, since we're doing... Let me remove this since we're only doing CSS right now. We don't need the console. I like having this lined up instead of looking diagonally. I like just looking horizontally. Okay, right here we have an RGBA of, which one is it? The first one? There's two. I'm gonna have 255. I'm gonna have 11. What color is that? It's like a reddish, red with the green. What is that? I don't know. Red with the green, what? I don't know. I don't know my colors like that. I haven't spent enough time. It's been a while since I've done like CSS on my own. It's red. It's like an orange. Then we have another border, or our first border. Dashed. RGBA. 255. This one's gonna be white, I believe. 255 all the way to the top with a little bit of opacity. Z index, we're gonna bring this one to the top. And then we're gonna do font size 12. That's a saw. Okay. What else? We got a highlighter. Did I spell it right? Highlighter. Just background. Background RGBA. It's weird how they use background color up here and then they use a background right here. I think it does the same thing. RGBA. More similar to this one here. Border. Oh, I kind of didn't want to see it. I wanted to see it myself, but again with the spoiler. Dashed. Okay. Index 1 position. So that's a lot of CSS, huh? Kind of a lot of CSS. We'll see, what does that, see, everything's cool. We'll see what it looks like on my alright, ready? Looks the same. The button though, still looking good. Alright, and that's it for that one. That's it for the style. Thank you guys for watching. Y'all have a good ass day. Peace out.